Virginia Attorney General Ken Cuccinelli says his office has accepted that Supreme Court Justice Elena Kagan will not recuse herself from the health care law case when it goes before the Supreme Court. Do you think Supreme Court Justice Kagan should recuse herself from the health care case?
She has already decided that she is not going to do that, and there was another case out of California that sought to expedite, as we are now, but they did a long time ago, and all 9 justices voted in the case and against it, and they'll vote on everything or nothing. And the way the law is set up, that she is to decide that herself, and presumably what her decision tells me is that as Solicitor General, she did not participate in consideration of the case. So we just accept that at face value and plow ahead and know that she'll be on the panel, and that's fine with us. One way or another, we aim to get our 5 votes. So.
There was some DOJ emails and communication that surfaced that when she was Solicitor General, there were officials from her office that were in discussion about the healthcare law and the case. Given that, do you have a personal opinion whether she should recuse herself or not?
No, I really don't. I mean, I assume that she's making an accurate, honest decision within the confines of the statute that governs recusal, and I just accept that straight up. So, you know, other people are wringing their hands over it. You're hearing similar types of attacks on Justices Scalia and Thomas, and we really set all that aside, and we keep our focus, eye on the ball, and our head down, and keep focused on winning these arguments and refining them to make them better as we go along. So that when we get in front of all 9, we're as prepared as we possibly can be to present the best case. And I think right now we are. We are still doing a better legal job than the other side, and I think we're carrying that forward very effectively, best in the country in my view.
Nicholas Balassi, CNSnews.com, Washington.